Okay, hi everyone, how are you all? Today we are gonna discuss about the Fibonacci channel and trend-based Fib Time tool available on TradingView. Um, Here you can get the all those reversal points for the trading and stuff. So let's get deeper into it. A day back I posted this idea on TradingView, and you can read it from here, and I will be showing it to you on the video too. So I will be referring to these images in between the video. Let me first delete all the drawings and make it again for you. So here for the trend-based fib time, I took this tool, trend-based fib time, and we can start it from the first low of the current trend, and then the first high, and then the second low. So you can see you are getting all the reversal points of the trend, and the major moves are happening on these lines only. You can see that here it tried to reverse the trend, but it couldn't. But again it went for it, and it successfully reversed the trend. And then it here you can see a big move on this line, and again here you can see a consolidation, then again a big move, and then again a big move. So this indicator is really important. You can take notes from the video. And the second indicator is not the indicator, it is a tool. It is fib channel. TradingView suggested to draw it in uptrend by connecting the two lows, but we will draw it for connecting two high by connecting two highs. I'm doing this because we are seeing a trend reversal. So for getting the targets in trend reversal, we can use it for from the two highs. Let me show it to you. This is the first high, and this is the second. Yeah, my log chart is on, and you can see how we are it is going to touch the targets, then pulling back, then hitting the target, then pulling back. Now it might go for this target too. um, don't forget to turn on your magnet, please, and you can see how it is touching the targets and pulling back. So these two indicators are very what I would say is like they are very exact and accurate. Now we'll go deeper into this idea, and I showed you how to draw these. Now we will see what moves we are expecting in these. So in this picture you can see I have made the zigzag lines of the Bitcoin's move by connecting all highs and lows. So here you can see between 1.382 and 1.618 level, there is a major move. You can say it is an impulse move. So we saw this move here on here too, 2.382 to 2.68 well 618. So by this we can say that this zone, like the 382 to 618 zone, is the major zone for impulse pullbacks, and all the major moves are happening here only. And you can see 1.618 to 2, it is a consolidation zone, and we are currently in the consolidation zone again, 618 to 3. And I can show you we are consolidating here, and I don't think कि अभी तक कोई मतलब मेजर मूव आएगा 3 तक जाने तक, which is on 12th Feb. So we can look for another dump on 12th Feb. It is around 14 Feb here. I guess I missed some wicks while making this, but you can surely use the magnet and make it very accurately. And then you can see the Fibonacci channel moves. So I made the channel from here, connecting these lines. You can see it retraced from the golden zone 0.5 to 0.618. It retraced back, then from 0.236 it went down to go for a breakout, pulled back, then hit the first target which was 1.618, then pulled back, uh, took two pullbacks, and made a double top here, and then again went for another target which it accurately hit it, and then took another pullback. It is taking another pullback again, and then it might hit the target. So we are expecting to for it to go around 28 to 30k. This is our zone. So let's expect it to be here, and market might begin from here only, from this 21 March zone. We can see a trend reversal here, and then we can make a next video about it. So this was all about the video. You can find all my social media accounts in the link in the description.